welcome back to my channel. This is the 28th vlog in the series of the build of my model and scale train track. If you want to follow me in the whole process of building this table, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for further videos. So here an overview of how the train yard looks right now. In this video we will put the automatic switches for the turnouts upside down. So welcome to another video. Today we're gonna put in the electronic switches of the turnouts. These will be put upside down and I will be put into the electronic switches for these Minitrix turnouts. You have a left one and a right one. A right-handed one, so this is a right-handed one, and this is a left-handed one. So the left-handed one, so the left turn, this is to the left, and this is a right turner, so it turns to the right. But I want to hide them. The reason why I want to hide them is so that they're not that visible on the tracks. I'm gonna do that with every turnout. I'm gonna turn these upside down where possible. If it's not possible, I will put something around it in which it's less obvious that there is an automatic switcher in between. And the automatic switches, they will be controlled by an Arduino. We're gonna talk that in a separate video. The electronic switches for the automatic uncouplers, on the other hand, I cannot put them upside down because then the mechanism would not work. So I'm gonna put something around there as well, maybe a building or something like that. So to position these upside down, with these it's no problem. I showed you in a previous video we can turn them around with no issue, because the system which is built into the Fleischmann turnouts that can be turned around, and this one can be used in a upside down as well. With the Minitrix, they have a real left and a right one. So for a left turnout, if I want to put it upside down, I need to use a right-handed. So this is a right-handed. It says here R, right-handed. Show you an R. This is a L for a left turnout. This is the left turnout, and this is the right turnout. So for the left, I'm gonna use the right-handed upside down. So I'm gonna cut this away if needed, especially for this area. For this to move, I need to cut out a little bit of piece over here, and the same with that one. So that is what we're gonna do. This is a right-handed one. This is a right-handed one. So we can put in there. This is a right-handed one, so I need to put a left-handed over there. So I can put those in. So that is what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna install the electronic switches, and then these cables are too short. I'm gonna lengthen them so that they will be coming out here, maybe into the same hole to go to a switcher block. So the turnouts, they will be controlled by a relay board. So like this. This is a relay board in which I can control this is a relay board in which I can control 4 turnouts. I also have a board which is the double of this, in which I can control 8 turnouts. So this one would be possible to be put down here, but I also have smaller boards like these. This board needs to have separate power. These boards, they will be fed by the Arduino. So what I can do is, for each pair, so these two, and these two, I can control them with the relay board. So that's easier to identify than with the specific large block like this. We still have one turnout over here, and that will be controlled by one block, but I can control the other relays I can use to put on the lighting at the upper deck. So let's see how it needs to be positioned. So the hole needs to be there. That's that one. Okay, so this is a left, this is a right, this is a right. Fits. It's a little bit too high, so I need to put a little bit of wood away. So I need to scrape this off, and I can do that different ways. I can cut it off with a Dremel, or I can chisel it with a chisel, or I can drill some holes. Let me first measure where the hole of the cable needs to be. So that will be right here in that position. So I'm gonna drill a hole here. Let's see if this one is also correct. So another way of doing it is sanding it off. It will produce a lot of dust. that fits. Well, that fits nicely. So let's do it the same way here. So let's see if everything fits. We're gonna put this switcher over here. Yeah, that's way much better. And now let's put this one in. First put this one in, so upside down. Fits nicely. Let's see if it works. Yep. Okay. One more to go. Okay, that's deep enough. So still need to put a hole in here. So let me show you how it turns out. So this is the turnout for the staging yard for the passenger trains. Okay, I have some other wagons standing over there, but that's okay. Also cargo wagons. The next two, so 4 tracks, are for the cargo, and all switches are now installed.
So here are 2 pictures. One is before the automatic switches have been put upside down, and this is the picture how it looks like when the automatic switches are put upside down. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for further videos. And I will see you in the next video.